So as I said, we have studying about the new topic, that is challenges of democracy. Now we have seen the things what is was earlier. Now the challenges. And challenges means the hurdles. Hurdles means the problems what are faced to in democracy to make it implement the things to run the democracy smoothly. No country can be described by being a completely democratic. When we are talking about democracy, we have seen that it is not any of the country cannot be said that we are democratic. But do you think, children, was it they having a real democracy? We have seen some or other way they were having a differences. So this has been observed in all of the country. As you know, there is some leg back things are there which are we are not knowing, but still it has been happening so in the society. There are always the communities and the individuals trying to expand their idea in democracy and push the greater recognition of equality on the existence as well as the issue. New issues are always arise on the basis if they find it out if any country is like in India we are having a diversity. Whenever the some things are passed by the laws are passed by the government, you know, children, there is always the people who come forward to give an idea about that it is not acceptable by everyone. They are somewhere they argue, somewhere they do the protest, somewhere they take the actions on the various way, and they let the government to think over the issues what they want from the government. Central central to this is the struggle for recognition of all the person as equal for their dignity and to be maintained. They all want that their recognition and their dignity should be always been maintained. No one should be less or more. If they find it out such thing in the government, they definitely approach towards it. In this book we will read about all that issues of equality affects the various aspects of the daily lives in democratic India. As you have read this chapter, think about whether the equality of all persons and their being able to maintain their dignity is being upheld. So children, after coming to end of the session, or we can say end of the lesson, we have come to concluded part that do you think really the equality has been upheld means going on, the thing which has been really hold the things which has been followed up by all the government. So you can with your method of understanding you will be very clear that really the equality has been maintained in all the part of the society in democratic India. Yes, this is the point to think. Think means to understand, and as you are the upcoming citizens, you should know all these things very clearly as you are grown up. And I tell you, children, now it is the time for you to analyze the things, to understand the things, so that when you become elder, you will become an Indian citizen. You should be do the things in the appropriate way. No one should need to guide you. You own self will be the guider of yourself. That what is right and what is wrong regarding to your country matter, your rights, your opportunities, your acceptance of the government, which type of government should be framed out so that you can run and make our country more prosperous. So children, I end my lesson here. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask to me, beta.